Today we're making Dorayaki Japan's pancake. Take a bowl, add in 2 large eggs. "40 grams of white sugar and 1/2 tablespoon vanilla essence. Whisk well. Now add 1 tablespoon honey and mix well. And then add 90 grams of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon baking powder. Whisk well that all ingredients gets well combined. Lastly, add 10 ml or 2 tablespoon water. Let it rest for 10 minutes, cover it and set aside. Take a pan, turn the flame on low, and pour the batter into pan into small or medium-sized round shape. Flip on the other side till it's light brown. Now take a plate and place 1 pancake, add Nutella about 1 tablespoon and cover with another pancake. Close the edges with your hand slowly, and it's ready. You can even add peanut butter or honey syrup on the top as per your preferences. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.